If your video is glitching in Premiere Pro, freezing on playback, showing weird artifacts, or lagging every time you hit the spacebar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get smoother playback and get back to editing without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro fixes and editing tips. First, let's start with one of the most common causes of glitchy playback, the media cache. Over time, Premiere Pro stores temporary cache files that can become corrupted or overloaded, and that can lead to stuttering, freezing, or strange visual issues. To clear it, go to Preferences, then Media Cache, and click Remove to delete all media cache files. This is one of the fastest fixes you can try, and in many cases, it instantly improves playback performance. If the issue is still happening, the next thing you want to check is GPU acceleration. Premiere Pro can use your graphics card to speed up rendering and playback, but if that setting is wrong or disabled, you may see glitches, dropped frames, or poor performance. To enable it, go to File, then Project Settings, then General. Under Renderer, choose Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, which may show as Metal on Mac, CUDA on NVIDIA systems, or OpenCL depending on your hardware. Once you apply that setting, Premiere Pro can offload more work to your GPU, which often makes a big difference. Now let's talk about playback resolution. If your system is struggling, even a powerful computer can have trouble previewing full-resolution footage in real time. A simple workaround is to lower the playback resolution in the program monitor. Look for the resolution dropdown and change it to 1/2 or even 1/4. This does not change your final export quality, but it does reduce the strain on your system while you're editing. If the glitches are caused by heavy footage, this one adjustment can make everything feel much smoother. Another useful fix is to render the section you're working on. Sometimes the glitches only appear on the timeline and not in the source footage itself. In that case, move to the section that's giving you trouble. Press I to mark the in point and O to mark the out point, then go to Sequence and select Render In to Out. Premiere Pro will build preview files for that section, and once the render is complete, playback is often much cleaner and more stable. This is especially helpful for effects-heavy timelines, color grading, or layered sequences. If you're still seeing problems, the issue may be with the project file itself. Corruption can happen, especially in larger or older projects. A very effective fix is to create a new project and import the buggy project into it. To do this, open Premiere Pro, start a fresh project, and then import the old project file into the new one. This can help rebuild the project structure and remove hidden issues that were causing the glitching in the first place. Sometimes the problem isn't the project at all, it's the footage. Certain video files, especially screen recordings, variable frame rate clips, or media from phones and cameras, can cause playback issues in Premiere Pro. If one or more clips are causing glitches, convert them to a standard editing-friendly format like H.24 using Adobe Media Encoder. Transcoding your footage can make it much more stable inside Premiere Pro and prevent random freezes, artifacts, or timeline lag. If you've tried all of these fixes and you're still having problems, go back through the steps in order. In many cases, clearing the media cache and enabling GPU acceleration solve the issue right away. If not, lowering playback resolution, rendering in to out, importing into a new project, and transcoding footage are the next best options. The key is to identify whether the problem is coming from cached files, hardware settings, the project itself, or the source media. So to quickly recap, clear your media cache, enable GPU acceleration, lower playback resolution, render problem areas, import the project into a new file if needed, and transcode problematic clips when necessary. Following these steps should fix most Premiere Pro video glitching issues and give you a much better editing experience. If this helps you fix your timeline, hit the like button, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.